In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer folder ownership in Google Drive. Now, there are a couple of steps to this, and I'm going to explain them right now in this quick video. So here we are inside of Google Drive. I'm logged in right now as Bradley Harrison 54, and we're going to transfer this folder to another account. Now, here you can see the folder in My Drive. First, you would need to upload the folder and locate the folder. Once you've got the folder on your screen, right-click on it, then click Share again. And what I would do is I would enter in the email of the person you want to share this with. So I'm going to enter in one of my emails here. So we'll go contact, click relay@gmail.com. This is who I'm going to transfer ownership to. Now we're going to keep them on editor because it gives them the most and highest permission. We can then click send. And what will happen now is they will get an email saying somebody has shared a file with you. Now this isn't ownership, and we're going to get to the transfer ownership part in a minute. So this is the email that the other person will receive. It will just say that somebody shared a folder, and they will then have to open that folder, and this will give them permission to view the folder. Inside this folder is just some video files. Now we've accepted the invite, we now technically can manage this folder, but we don't actually own it yet. So now let's just check that the other person has accepted it and that it is recognized on Google Drive. So if we right click on the folder and go to share and share again, you then should see the other person should then be an editor, and they should then be able to edit and manage that folder. Now, if you want to transfer ownership, you need to go to the person that you've invited and they've accepted, click on this downwards arrow, click transfer ownership, and then click send invitation. That will send them one more email, which they will need to accept. So this is what the email will look like. Instead of it saying someone shared a folder, it's going to say someone invited you to own a folder. They can then scroll down and they would need to accept this invite. Now, once they've done that, you can go ahead and refresh and then you can check it once more. As you can see now, it looks like we don't own it, but to double check, you would right click on it, you will go share again, and now you can see the new owner, contact click relay@gmail.com, has now been added, and now we have been demoted to an editor. Now, this new owner could remove access for your account from this folder, so that's just something to bear in mind. But now this has a new owner and they can do as they please with that file. I hope that quick video helped you out.